Hello, my name is Todd with Mecklenburg County GIS, and this is the Polaris 3G video series. This video is titled Google Street View and Bird's Eye View Integration. So let's get started. So what I'd like to do is, let's say for instance you're looking at a particular piece of property, you're maybe looking to buy some property and you'd like to see what the neighborhood looks like without actually physically visiting that location. You can do that with Polaris. So let's say Amy Weeks has decided to sell her house and I'm interested in Amy's house and maybe the neighborhood. So I'd like to see what's around her house and that kind of thing. I can obviously see through the building photo that over the last 14 years there's been some major improvements to the house. The siding, a new paint job or new siding, it's all looks a lot better. So what we've added here, right under this photo, there's two links. One's called Google Street View and Bird's Eye View. And these are really cool. It's a lot easier to use these tools than what Google Street View and Bird's Eye used to be in the existing Polaris 3G that we've had out for the last year. So we've significantly improved the access to this. So what you want to do is click on this link and it will provide you a split screen. And you can see over here on the left hand side you're presented basically with a 360 street view. So you can get an idea of what this neighborhood looks like, and you've got a lot of navigation tools to be able to navigate around, and you can zoom in and zoom out. So this is all Google Street View. And if you noticed here, you've got a street man icon, and you can see anytime I want to I can drop him down, and you can see right now I am facing Miss Weeks's property here, and you can see the pointer as I move the directional dial around, it moves the man around on the map as well, which is pretty cool. And if I want to do the satellite, I can do that. If I want to zoom in tighter, I can do that. So major improvement over the old Google Street View that we used to have. So that's Google Street View. I'd like to show you the Bird's Eye View. Bing Maps puts out what's called Bird's Eye. We also have a company called Pictometry that puts it out for the county itself. And you notice that here is the property that's in question. Here's the neighborhood. So if I'm interested in seeing parcel lines and addresses, there's a button up here. It looks like a stack of layers. I can click on that and I can select US parcels, and it'll show me the parcel lines. So then I have a better idea of what address or what parcel goes with what building. So if I'm interested in seeing the various sides of the building, I can use this navigation tool to navigate around to see the various angles, so I can see all four sides. And then I can also see some historical information too, going all the way back to at least 2007. So, and then I have the option to export the image to a PDF if I'd like to as well. So a significant improvement over Bing Maps, and you can see there's a reference map that we provide here for the property. So once you've selected it, you'll know where that property resides. So major viewer improvement. So that includes Google Street and Bird's Eye View. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and we'll see you in the next.